Hi everyone, welcome. This is Stardust LV and hope you guys are well. Today we're gonna do a Chanel double unboxing and this is from the Chanel fashion jewelry line, and both of this just came out and it's new releases, and let's open it together. So let's open this one first. And I saw this, guys, only in the pictures. I have not seen this in person yet. My SA just showed this to me. I ordered it, and this is none other than, oh my god, guys, look at this. It is so pretty. So pretty. So it's a brooch with Chanel, and it also has a crystal in between the letters, and it is just so beautiful. Very pretty. So pretty in person, guys. It's in champagne gold hardware and the size is just right. So pretty. So it has Chanel here and another Chanel words here with a crystal in between, and the gold is just so subtle. And if you're gonna put it on, it looks like this. I really don't like any brooches with crystals now, as it could fall off, but this is just so pretty, guys. Like, I fell in love when I saw this in the picture and I ordered it right away. This is the previous brooch from the Button collection. And this is more like a vintage gold color, while this one is in a champagne gold color, which if you are wearing like silver, I think this could blend to it, as the gold is just light and it crystal also looks like silver, so it's just complement your gold and silver jewelry. So these are the difference. So the spacing between the C and the H has a crystal in between to this, and this is more like the curve, like curvier design, while this one is more like flat. And so if you can see, this curves in on each side, while this one is just flat. At the back it looks like this, and the logo is more like it's not lasered, but it's like etched down inside. However, both has the same lock mechanism, so push it down and then it will go out. So same thing when you put it back. And it has CC logo here. So same thing with the other brooch. Like the sides, it looks like this. It's thick, guys. It has really a substantial weight to it. This is so pretty, and it's $500, 21P series, and it's from the new collection. And this is the barcode. There you go, guys. This is just so pretty. Here. And let's open the other one. This one came with this. Let's open it. And this is it, guys. So another brooch from 21S, and it's called Golden Brooch. The other one is called Golden Crystal. This one is golden, and this is just in gold hardware with no crystals. So the mechanism is also the same, and the Chanel is lasered etched here. And same mechanism, while you have to push it down and then out, and you put it back like that. This is what it looks like. And at the back has like a shiny finish to it. This is the barcode, guys, if you're interested. And this is $475 US. So I got this from Chanel Boutique in New York, and I just called my SA in there and he shipped it in here in my state. And this one has like has a shiny gold hardware. So if you ask me, this is a champagne gold hardware. This is like the regular gold hardware, and this one is the deep gold hardware. It's like a vintage gold. So together it looks like this, guys. It has, I think, the same size. So what do you think of this, guys? Let me know. This is prettier in my opinion, with the Chanel and crystal. This one is more like subtle, so if you're gonna put it on, looks like this. This will go with any outfits that you have, since it's plain gold with no crystals, while the other one looks like this. So which one is your favorite? Let me know, guys, and thank you for watching. May all of you have a wonderful day. Please hit like and subscribe. So I'll see you again next time, and stay safe, everyone. Bye.